Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect a Bluetooth controller to your phone. First, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable. It's also a good idea to fully charge your controller before starting, as this helps maintain a stable connection. Always check your controller's specific manual for any unique pairing steps, as these can vary between models. Next, you need to put your Bluetooth controller into its pairing mode. This is a crucial step that allows your phone to find it. Typically, you'll hold down a specific button or a combination of buttons for a few seconds until an indicator light flashes. For example, some controllers use a small button on the back, while others might use the share button. Always consult your controller's instructions for the precise method. Now, on your phone, open your settings and go to the Bluetooth menu. You should see an option to scan for new devices. Once your phone detects your controller, its name will appear in the list. Tap on your controller's name to initiate the pairing process. Your phone might ask for a confirmation or a simple passcode, usually 0000 or 1234, but often it connects automatically. Finally, it's time to test your connection. Open a game or an application that supports external controllers to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the controller can often resolve them. Also, try to keep other Bluetooth devices at least 3 feet away to prevent signal interference, ensuring a smooth and responsive gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.